This is a lovely natural lake. If we're lucky enough, we might be able to spot some wildlife. When I come here early in the morning, I can see herons and all sorts of fish jumping off, and well, lots of frogs, of course, and sometimes deers and wild boars come here to drink in the lake, but we have to be really quiet. Well, the good thing of this area is just the variety of landscapes, and it's so quiet, you know, and we love it because, you know, it's just an area which is kind of, it's not a natural national park, it's not protected by anything, but it's still very quiet, a kind of our secret spot. This is where I grew up, and also we love the fact that we keep finding new pathways, new places, you know. However, we've been walking here so many years, all over the place, and mountain biking, horseback riding and everything, and we're still finding every day new pathways, which it makes it really fantastic, because that's just to show you, it tells you how wide it is, this woodlands, and you got these natural lakes which are lovely. Unfortunately, this is not the right timing to spot any wildlife, but I'm gonna get them early in the morning the following days if the weather is stable. I know where they sleep, and I'm gonna try to camouflage myself to maybe able to show, to get some footage of it. I got quite a few cameras. I got the iPhone, the Nikon, the one on which I'm filming at the moment, got the GoPro, and I got the iPhone that it does quite good pictures as well. Hi guys, sorry, I haven't been lucky or probably clever enough to get some wildlife today, but stay tuned and I promise I'm gonna get some. I just missed a group of deers over the other side and another group of wild boars early on this morning, so I'll get better organized and more I work on my camouflage to get them. Here we are approaching another lake. This one is still a natural lake, but is sometimes used for fishing. Still very beautiful. This is where the water comes into the lake from the forest through this little spring. fantastic spring, fresh water. Well, what's amazing here is that you don't get to see wildlife so easily. You actually have to be, first of all, early in the morning, the sunrise or by the sunset, and right places, and sit there for at least a good half an hour, silent. And when you get to see a fox or a deer or, you know, the red squirrel, it's something really exceptional, extraordinary. Because it's not like, you know, in some other country or some other park, you just walk in and you see these animals which have been put there, or it's just, you know, it's a natural park where nobody touches animal. Over here is the real wilderness, so the wildlife is clever, you know. A fox is a real fox, smart and clever. So, and also down there, a second ago, I heard them. There were some wild boars. But by the time I got organized and moved towards them, they disappeared. Oh no, just missed. Look at marks here in the soil. Oh my goodness. Where are they? This is where they sleep. The wild boars. You can see all being digging. Really fresh tracks. But you know, stay tuned and we'll try to catch them. There is one down there. I can see his ears.